Hello, hello. Welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
I'm Matt.
On today's episode, we're talking once again about Crown Royal. This is the new limited edition Blackberry flavored. Don't you forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Click that notification bell. Matt, do you want to tell me some more about this limited edition Crown?
All right, so this is donated by my brother, Daniel. Thanks, Danny boy, for this. So he brought this down from Oklahoma for us. This is the Crown Royal Blackberry. Of course, then also comes in this fun box. We got that. And of course, it wouldn't be without a new bag. So we got, new Crown Royal bag. So, of course, surprise, surprise, it's 35% because all their flavors are 35%, except for the 23-year Golden Apple. All right, so this is made, of course, by the master blender, taking select Crown Royal whiskeys and then adding the juicy flavors of fresh blackberries. Of course, this is a summertime limited release. They say it's great to mix with lemonade as a cocktail. So, yay. And it is great with lemonade. I tried it before. It's delicious. All right, let's see what we think.
This is a summertime release. They released in February.
Seems logical, doesn't it?
That's...
Unless it was in Canada. The weird thing is, this is not even on their website. That's even the weirder part about Crown. It's like, did you release it in summer in Canada and then didn't tell us? But I think it came here first. I don't think it may be in Canada at the same time. I don't know.
Maybe they're thinking it's summer in Texas already.
They wouldn't be wrong. It was like 88 today. I mean, whatever.
Whoa.
But it's definitely blackberry, lemon, vanilla custard, a little bit of barrel char.
Wow, so much blackberry.
But yes, it's like blackberry cobbler.
Yes.
Warm pie crust. It smells really nice. I put some
blackberry graham cracker ice cream.
Yep. But this over ice cream would be delicious.
Blackberry graham cracker snow cone.
I could see that. It'll be delicious.
It's snow cone syrup, Matt.
Oh, this would be great in a snow cone. I would like to try that.
This smells like it's as thick as snow cone syrup.
All right, Logan, we need to make a snow cone one with this one, too. It'd be delicious. All right, well, a whole lot more else going on. It smells great. If you like blackberry.
It smells like it's going to be very sweet. It smells like it has some tart components, too, though.
Yeah, I'd agree. It's probably going to be pretty sweet, so let's see. It's pretty sweet. Blackberry, lemon, vanilla, that blackberry cobbler. It's very syrupy. Seeds of blackberry, the crust of the cobbler, like the vanilla ice cream on top, really big sugar, vanilla bean ice cream, bowl needs water. It also has like a little bit of like margarita salt and agave syrup at the very finish, which is interesting.
Definitely agave syrup.
But it is crazy thick. Man, you have to like blackberry, I think, to like this, and like really oily, thick. Wow, that's mouth coating.
On the back of the box, they have a recipe for a blackberry lemonade.
Oh, yeah, they sure do.
If I were to get a really nice tart lemonade, something that doesn't have a whole lot of sugar already to it, but that's like maybe overly tart on purpose, I think that would make for a really good cocktail.
1.5 ounces of Crown and 6 ounces of lemonade. So, yeah, you're really diluting the crap out of it. So, you got that pretty thing. And you put it in a fun mason jar mug, apparently. So,
That actually sounds like it would work well with this because it is so sickly sweet. I think this is going to hit the American market right in the mouth hole, man. I think that most of America is going to love the hell out of this.
I think that, and I think because I know my brother had those ice lemonades that whatever the brand is. That's what he poured into with that. That's why there's so much out of it. He kept drinking those before he brought it to me as a gift. So the donation, he's like, I wanted to try it. Well, then I made a lemonade. It was pretty good. So we had a few of them. So
I feel like those two flavors would mix very, very well. I think that's a great cocktail idea.
Yeah, I think in the summertime, I think the store's going to go gaga for this thing.
If it's still around.
Yeah, it's going to be easy. Yeah, well, that's a valid point. How fast does it sell out, being that it's a brand new Crown? Because I know, like, with salted caramel and peach.
Brand new, and it's called a limited edition.
Yeah.
It's brand new, and it's being called a limited edition. The hype for it was massive for months, or for at least about a month now. People have been talking about it, so...
Yeah, I know. We saw it come out, like, start heard about it 2 or 3 months ago, at least in the press, going, "This is coming out. This is coming out." I'm like, "When's it coming? When's it coming? I need to try this." Because I know for us, Crown reviews usually do really well. And here at the castle, you would like to do flavored whiskeys that isn't availability for you. So if you want to try all the Crown flavors or all the Bird Dogs or whatever the flavor whiskey you want, we can make it happen for you. Because we are an equal opportunity thing on flavored whiskeys as well. Even though we'll have to suffer through many of them, but it's okay. He does it for your pleasure, especially for Steve A, because he really likes it.
So. You know what? No, you do it because sometimes you find the traverse cities in the world.
Valid. That's true. We have found some pretty epic flavor whiskeys that
sometimes really you find the golden apples in the world.
Yeah, it's true too.
It's
it occasionally happens. Yep, sure does. But, it's good. I like it. I think they did a good job with it.
Agreed. It's a little sweet for me, but it's okay.
Not as for somebody. It's crap.
Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Click that notification bell. We go live every Monday night, or you can just come hang out with us live at the castle. Join the Patreon page, get access to some behind-the-scenes fun. But until next time, keep on crusading for better liquids in your glass. Cheers. Cheers. I know I said liquids, but I'm drinking water.
Mm-hmm. I finished the whiskey. It was delicious.
Ooh, I can smell it from here. Oh, watch this. Come here. She's looking around for what that smell is.
Ooh, what's that smell? Oh, pussycat.
You smell it?
It's blackberry whiskey.
What does that smell like to you?
She's like, not too bad. Didn't run away.
Not too shabby, huh?
She was like, I'll be in the picture. It's fine. Oh, take another whiff. Wow.
Yeah, she didn't hate that.
Kind of
shocked. Sounds like cat approved right there.
I see that. Look at that.
Gag face or nothing. That was pretty good.
That was pretty wild.
All right, you ready?
To Pat do that. That was wild.